I'm Kayla.
And I'm Kara. Well,
I'm hot.
I'm cold. Oh wait, I'm yes.
No. Wait.
No.
Like this.
I'm yes.
No.
I'm up.
Down.
In.
Out.
Wrong.
Right.
Right.
What?
Wait. Black.
White.
We fight.
Break up.
Oh, that makes a lot of sense. We
Break up.
We kiss.
And make up.
Well, we're traveling. We're traveling to Caleb's room.
And Dylan
Dylan.
Tanner's here.
Mm-hmm.
Dylan's here.
Sag muffin. Just kidding. Just kidding. We love you, Dylan. Somewhat. In a weird kind of love.
Dylan Fag Tanner.
A weird kind of love way. Okay, let's go. Let's go. We're traveling. Let's go.
Stop it.
I'm not gonna stop.
Yeah.
Dylan.
Kayla, come here.
Yeah, man, that's crazy.
Dude,
man.
Did you really? Hey, that's not done.
Okay.
What?
Obviously, they're being retarded.
Yeah, man.
Go away. Hey, she's a bushman. Okay. Shut up, Dylan Fag Tanner.
Dylan's
No, I'm Bryce Tanner.
Dylan's
Is that right?
fag. Weed.
Oh,
Why you
fag,
talking like that?
bitch. You said a bad word. Do that man thing.
Dylan,
I know he's my best friend.
Oh my God.
Shit.
Wow.
He like touched himself. He touched himself.
He touched herself.
He touched himself.
Oh, bye.